Dear viewers, now I am presenting the Public Financial Management System PFMS. In the digital era, every educational institution has created their own page in the PFMS for web-based transactions. So, for that purpose, I would like to share my knowledge on the Public Financial Management System. In this key points involved in this video, brief about PFMS, how to log in PFMS, how to agencies registration in PFMS, how to create agencies users such as data operator, data approver, how to register new schemes under the PFMS. Okay, let us move to another slide. In the Google address bar, we had type PFMS search. Now we get this PFMS. Okay, and this address bar, so this address also www.pfms.nac also typed in the web page address. Okay, now let us move to the other slide. Brief about PFMS. It is a public financial management system. It has early named as CPSMS, Central Plan Schemes Monitoring System. It is purely web-based program designed and introduced by the Organization of Controller General of Accounts, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It has no credit amount in passbook. Grants, the PFMS is only limited grants, and it has been utilized before the financial year or ending of financial year 31st March. In the PFMS admin user ID, in the admin user ID, data operator, data approver, these are the main agency users can be approved in the PFMS. After that we have to log in the PFMS. We can enter our schemes, our details, our account details, everything we have to enter into this PFMS portal. And previous process of grants, how we can before the PFMS, how we can transaction through the bank account, maybe the payment made by the cash, check, RTGS, etc. After the PFMS establishment of PFMS, compulsory that it is a mandatory to every institution for their transactions through this PFMS. Next, move to the other slide. In the Google search PFMS. Next, after the okay, this, okay, click on the PFMS. We got this page. Okay, this is the web page of PFMS. Next, this is the right side top corner login. Click on the login. We get the another page. This is the login pop-up box. This is a financial year, username, password and login. Okay, next, after the login we get the home page. This left side also so many options are there, and right side of the corner, top of the corner, welcome, our institution name, user ID, agency unique code, financial year. These welcome, user ID, user type, agency code, these are all are the get after the registered of our institution. Okay, next, in this agency manage, in this agency we have the manage. In this manage, click on the manage. After creation of our agency registration, we get this agency name, agency type, contact details, unique code, city, state, status, remark, created by, date, when we are created by, that date, and a remark, status. Okay, this is the main that our institution we have to getting the main details of our institution in the PFMS through the agency, and click on the manage. Next, my details. This is also the after the registration of our account, our institution, scheme, whatever it may be. So my details, please see this, my details, my profile and agency profile. So in this agency login ID, user type, first name, last name, whatever the details entered in this registration of our agency, those are the details displayed after the registered our institution. Next, this is also same type, agency's profile. Okay, next in this, okay, this is also agency profile, agency name, agency type. Agency name, it has institution name, agency type, what is the registration number, date of registration of our institution, and address. These are all our things have done in this page of agency profile. Next, this is the main step of any institution, agency registration. In the previous PFMS portal, we have the agency registration button in the login pop-up box, but now we don't have this button. After login head of the institution, we have to see the agency registration. So for that purpose, it is the main mandatory to the registered our agencies. In the, for example, our NSS cell, okay, National Service Scheme cell, that university is the under the university, so many NSS units are there. In this universities itself, maybe registered agencies means NSS units under the NSS cell. Okay, after getting of all the NSS units data, enter the type of registration, PAN number not required, all the primary details entered in the agencies. See, agencies, next agency registration. Okay, this continuation page is another slide, continuation page. Okay, this is the complete page, first and second. Okay, after the enter all the buttons in this unique agency code. Unique agency code will be system generated. It will be the unique agency code will be shared to your registered email. Okay, after that click on the next button. Press next button, add. Next we get the some same columns also displayed, add scheme details, enter account details, and last is submit button. After submit button, we get the details of username, password. Okay, this is the main thing. What is that? Agency and agency registration. Primary details we have entered by the admin. Who is the admin? And National Service Scheme Shatavana University is the admin. In this admin account, agency registration done by the NSS units. Agency means NSS units. This registration done by the National Service Scheme university itself done. This is the main domain, main aspect in this PFMS portal registration. Okay, this after the filling of this form, what are the details we have filled? Primary information of institution, first and second. Okay, next press the next button. We get the more details, that add scheme details. What is our scheme? National Service Scheme 9230, that is the scheme name. Enter account details. Whose account details we are entered, unit wise enter details. Okay, okay, this is the account, whatever the institution we have typed in this boxes, that institution account details typed. After that we submit click the submit button. After the submit button, you get the username and password. With the username password ID, you log into the PFMS portal. Okay, this is I think this is done by the admin domain by the university to the NSS units. Okay, next we move to the another slide. This is a master. See, left side, masters, users. Next click add new. So add new means it is the user, create the agency users. Okay, now the university is the admin, and in this admin created the unit wise institution details and account details, everything done. After that, after we go to the masters, and add new. Click on the add new button. We get this box, create agency user. So create agency user, in unit wise we have the maker approver or operator approver. First create the approver and operator details or maker operator details. Okay, two types of domains or agencies are required for the managing of our transactions through Pfms. Okay, first create agency user to fill all the details and submit button. After submit, click on the submit button. You get the details, the details shared to your registered email ID, whatever password, username in the name of whatever name you have filled. Okay, a type of user data operator, or click on whatever data operator or data approver, data operator and data approver, step by step. First fill the data operator, next data approver. Okay, first submit, you get the data approver, get the details, and next again open create agency user. Next is type of user, select data approver or operator. Okay, step by step, two domains. Admin already completed by university admin, and in this create agency, first click on approver details, submit, and operator details and submit. You get the operator separately and approver separately get the information to their registered emails. Okay, you can log in, you can get those are the details. This is the finishing of your institution registration. Okay, is it clear? Next, so this is the main thing, my schemes, register new scheme. Okay, we completed the registered agencies. Okay, registration of agencies completed. Now we have go to the my schemes, register new scheme. Okay, we completed our institution registered in Pfms. It is the task is completed. Now what we have to do? My schemes, register new scheme. Why do we need the Pfms? Why do we go to the registered in Pfms? For the national service scheme purpose, accounting, web based online transaction for the NSS. Okay, for that purpose I would like to register a new scheme. So that is my schemes. Let us go to the register new scheme. Click on the register new scheme. Okay, next, register new scheme. Click on the register new scheme. We get this box, select scheme. Okay, select funding agency. Okay, let us move to the other slide. Okay, select scheme. What is our scheme number? 9230. Okay, press on the search button. Okay, search button. Next, after search button, what we get it? Please see another slide. Okay, this national service scheme, first one, not the second one, first one, national service scheme. Click the 9230 national service scheme. Next, add, is it added? Okay, added. It is inserted in the national service scheme. Next, select funding agency. What is our agency? Okay, no, we get the funds from the Telangana state NSS cell. That's why we tick in the I will receive funds from this agency. Okay, I will receive funds from the agency. Next, select funding agency. Okay, now I am click on the I will receive funds from the agency. Next, right side we have the search button. Click on the search. Okay, what is the search agency? Unique code NSS, Telangana NSS. Right in the unique code, definitely search in this search. Click on the search button. We get the Telangana state NSS cell. Click on the okay, funding agency to university in Telangana state for NSS is Telangana state NSS cell. Okay, after search we get the Telangana state NSS cell. Click on this Telangana state NSS cell. Add in the Telangana state NSS cell. Okay, Is it clear? We completed the select scheme and we completed the task of select funding agency. Now what we have, click CNA details. Okay, central nodal account details. Okay, whatever we have the current account details received from the banks, that must be inserted in this. Okay, you have see register scheme is completed, select funding agency is completed, account type central nodal account, select agency and bank name. Okay, bank name and search. We press on the search, we get the so many banks details. Whatever our bank, click on our, just we have to type IFC code or we have to type our branch bank branch name. Definitely we get the details our bank. Okay, next enter the account number, agency name as per bank. Whatever name account holder name, type in this agency name as per bank. Okay, agency name means that unit name or college name, whatever you have insert in this in their your bank. Okay, principal or NSS unit program officer, whatever you have got the registered in your accounts. Okay, entering the account details and mapping. So see, this pop box is displayed of the various banks. Okay, account details. Okay, after account details, we agents, see in this agency account scheme component, click on that. Our account is mapping in the Pfms. Okay, this box is pop-up box is coming up. Click on the bulk, this green color, some green color, click on that and save button. Click on the, just see this one, save. Click on the bulk, wait, click on the bulk and click on the save. Okay, that our scheme registration is completed. Okay, so next I would like as a agency registered user, I would like to see, I would like to I would like to see that our how the our scheme is mapping in the Pfms or not. Our institution name is mapping in the Pfms portal or not. Okay, that's why click on the my schemes, manage. Okay, we got the this window, manage window of our institution. Okay, this is our university's name. Okay, this type of a window we got it. Okay, next continuation page, I would like to see our mapping of our national service scheme, Shatavana University C. Okay, have you see it, national scheme 9230, register and NSS cell program coordinator. And who is the agency? Telangana State NSSL. What is the bank type? CZB, zero based current account, and it is a mapping S. Okay, this is a pending agency approval. It is now approved. Okay, it is now approved. Whenever I created this video, when it is approval is not approved. Now the our NSS cell Shatavana University is now approved and it is mapped under the Pfms. Okay, thank you all. This is a video of on Pfms. Now we have clearly discussed on the how to create the registered the agencies, registration of agencies, and agency users registration. Next scheme registration and mapping of the scheme, and how to manage the scheme. Okay, so this is the manage the scheme. All the details we have entered. Lastly, this is the finished of our work, done our everything in the Pfms portal of our institution or NSS unit. Whatever you have required data filled in this Pfms, that will be displayed fully. Okay, Thank you all.